The new iPad Pro is here, and Apple claims it's their most powerful tablet yet. Is it finally time to ditch your laptop? I spent a week using the iPad Pro for everything: writing, editing videos, and streaming shows. The big news: Apple's M5 chip, a stunning tandem OLED display, and a redesigned Magic Keyboard with a function row and larger trackpad. These upgrades make the iPad Pro feel more like a laptop than ever before. But can it really replace your MacBook or Windows PC for a full work day? Apple's been promising the iPad is the future of computing for years, but most of us still rely on laptops for serious work. The iPad has always been great for entertainment and light productivity, but struggled as a true all-in-one device. So, has Apple finally cracked the code? In this video, we'll compare the new iPad Pro to today's top laptops, break down what it does better, and where laptops still win. We'll look at real-world use cases, from students to professionals. By the end, you'll know if the iPad Pro is just another beautiful tablet, or if it's finally ready to take over your desk. Let's dive in. Laptop killer gets thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? It's not just about speed or a gorgeous screen. A true laptop killer must handle your entire workflow, no compromises. That means multitasking, running complex apps, and managing files as easily as a laptop. Laptops have robust operating systems like macOS and Windows, built for multitasking and flexibility. iPadOS has improved with features like Stage Manager, but is it as powerful? For many, it depends on the apps you need. Hardware matters too. Laptops are all in one. The iPad Pro needs accessories like the Magic Keyboard, which adds cost and weight. Ports are another issue. Laptops have several. iPad Pro has just one Thunderbolt port. And let's not forget habit. Most of us are used to laptops for work. For the iPad Pro to truly replace a laptop, it has to be so good you want to change your habits. It's not just about specs, it's about making work easier and more intuitive. That's a high bar, and it's about more than just hardware. Let's see how the iPad Pro stacks up. The iPad Pro 2025 is impressively thin, light, and feels futuristic, far more portable than any laptop. Snap on the new Magic Keyboard, and it looks and works like a modern ultra-portable laptop. The M5 chip is blazing fast, handling everything from web browsing to 4K video editing with ease. The tandem OLED display is brighter and more vibrant than most laptop screens, perfect for movies and creative work. For everyday tasks, the iPad Pro matches or beats many high-end laptops in speed and display quality. But the comparison gets tricky. A MacBook Air is still light, has a bigger trackpad, and a built-in keyboard, no extra cost. The iPad Pro plus accessories can end up heavier and pricier than a laptop. Battery life is similar. Both can last a full workday, but heavy tasks drain them faster. So, are you paying more for less, or for a different kind of versatility? The iPad Pro wins on portability and display, but laptops still offer more convenience out of the box. It's a trade-off between tablet flexibility and laptop simplicity. For many, the choice comes down to what you value most. Next, let's talk about what the iPad does that laptops can't. The iPad Pro's magic is its touchscreen and Apple Pencil support, perfect for artists, designers, and note-takers. Drawing and writing directly on the screen feels natural, something no laptop can match. It's also the ultimate device for watching movies, reading, or browsing anywhere. The App Store is packed with touch-first apps, making focused creative work a joy. But for heavy multitasking, file management, and pro software, laptops still win. Windows and macOS are built for complex workflows and have better file systems. Laptops offer more ports and upgradable hardware, crucial for pros. Specialized software often only runs on laptops, not iPadOS. For creative tasks and media, the iPad Pro is unmatched. For power users and pros, the laptop's muscle still rules. So, is your laptop obsolete? Let's find out. After a week with the iPad Pro, can it finally kill the laptop? The answer: it depends. For students, writers, and artists, the iPad Pro is often better than a laptop, more fun, more portable, and just as powerful for daily tasks. But for professionals needing specialized software, multiple ports, or advanced multitasking, laptops are still essential. iPadOS has come a long way, but it's not as flexible as macOS or Windows. The iPad Pro 2025 is Apple's closest attempt yet at a true laptop replacement. It blurs the line between tablet and laptop and redefines what a computer can be. Maybe the future isn't about one device for everything, but picking the best tool for each job. For many, the iPad Pro is the only computer they need. For others, the laptop remains king. The iPad Pro is a phenomenal machine, but the laptop isn't dead yet. Not by a long shot.